Is your Ford Transit Customs alarm constantly triggering? It's a common issue, especially in 2013-2024 models. The main culprits are often the door sensors or the hood switch. Door sensors can misalign from wear, vibration, or frequent use. The hood switch, located under the hood, is prone to corrosion or loose connections. Start by visually inspecting these components. Are the door sensors properly aligned? Is there any visible corrosion on the hood switch? These are the first steps in diagnosing the problem. Also, ensure that your battery voltage is above 12.5 volts, as low voltage can cause issues. For door sensors, try cleaning the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and ensuring they're properly aligned. For a corroded hood switch, replacement is often the best option. Aftermarket switches are available, even from brands like Mopar. Once the issue is addressed, you'll need to reset the alarm system. Sometimes, simply cycling the ignition will do the trick. Ford's diagnostic tool, IDS Software, can also clear fault codes. For newer models from 2023-2024, check for over-the-air updates that may improve sensor calibration. Remember, improper resets can void warranties, so proceed with caution or consult a professional.